Audio Jungle. This is High Tech News TV News. Chennai KLM Axiva financed a leading NBFC with a valuation of over 2000 crores celebrated its 25th Silver Jubilee with the Fortuna 25 Employees Summit Tamil Nadu. The company, which boasts a pan-India presence with over 1000 branches and lady superstar Nayanthara as its brand ambassador, whose strong presence in Chennai significantly contributes to the growth of the entire Tamil Nadu business, continues to amplify its vision and values through such milestone initiative. The Fortuna 25 Employee Summit Tamil Nadu was inaugurated by Mr. T.P. Srinivasan, IFS retired chairman of KLM Axiva Finest and former Indian ambassador to America. The event was presided over Mr. Shibu Thekumuram, Executive Director, the promoter and backbone of the company, alongside the company's CEO, Mr. Manoj Ravi. The summit brought together employees from across Tamil Nadu to commemorate this significant milestone. The summit served as a key highlight of the year-long Silver Jubilee celebrations, uniting employees to reflect on the company's remarkable journey for its future growth. Zonal head Mr. Julius Zobat and Arul regional heads shared insights on the company's achievement and ambitious goals, motivating employees to play an integral role in the continued success. CEO Mr. Manoj Ravi outlined the company's strategic roadmap for 2025, emphasizing innovation, digital transformation, and sustained growth. The Fortuna 25 Employee Summit Tamil Nadu also featured a full-day motivational training session designed to enhance professional skills and foster team spirit. The Fortuna 25 Employee Summit Tamil Nadu marks a significant milestone in its Silver Jubilee celebrations, which culminate in December 2025 with the unveiling of its ambitious 2020 roadmap, setting the stage for the company's continued expansion and success.